If anything needs to be replaced by the artificial intelligence, I think the first thing we should replace are the trial court judges. The trial court judges in the United States are appointed not based on their qualifications, but they are placed on the bench by connections, by their special friends. And that's why we have millions of appeals, because their decisions are what we call irreversibly erroneous. What irreversibly erroneous they mean is that the mistake the judge has made is supposedly a mistake that has been addressed before by a higher court, usually courts of appeals or Supreme Courts. So only in that case the mistake from the judge could be irreversible. Anyhow, there are tons of mistakes, especially if you are unrepresented and you go in court. Unrepresented means you don't have an attorney, and you go in front of these completely incompetent judges, capricious judges who are arrogant and they believe they rule the world, and they do. They never gonna rule in your favor unless you have an attorney or the other party is like you, unrepresented. If you do have a party that you have sued who comes to court with a lawyer, you better quit the lawsuit, no matter how much harm is done to you, no matter how much damages you have had. You are not gonna be taken seriously by the judges we have in any court of law, any judge. When you are unrepresented and the other party has an attorney, judges are scared to rule in your favor and against the attorneys, because they make mistakes, and if they make mistakes, they believe that the attorney can go and appeal, and no judge wants to have a higher court appeal his decision. So if judges are really confident, if they really know the law exactly as it should be interpreted by the judge, and if they are good people, of course, they will apply the law. They will do justice by applying the law. But they don't, because they know their power. They know that they are in that bench because of their special friends who have appointed them to serve special interests. Even attorneys, if they are two-legged attorneys, if they are just from a small firm and going against a big law firm on the other side, even they know they're going to lose. It doesn't matter if they are right or correct. It's who is the bigger firm, who has more potentials, more means, more connections, who wins in our courts. That's why I think if we have come to the point with mankind, we're now becoming gods, as imperfect as humans are, as completely undeveloped as we are. Yeah, we have invented rockets and stuff, we can destroy the world. We still are in the verge of becoming gods with the artificial intelligence, with the robots we have. We can send the robots now in the universe, and instead of humans, and they could be the watchers on other planets, like we had watchers a long time ago, which of course have been robots, and they communicated with humans like our robots will communicate. But if there is anything urgently to be replaced by artificial intelligence, I believe are the judges of the trial courts. What is a trial court? The trial court is a court that tries the facts. When you go, you have a damage, you have a claim, and you have to go and present the facts. In other words, it's a trial facts, not assumptions, not a presumption, not speculation, but facts. Something has been done, someone did something to you, that thing hurt you, and based on the thing that you are hurt, based on some law that exists there, you should be made whole. For that, you go to trial court. That is, a trial court could be many names, like in federal, it could be called a district court, in state, it could be called district court or circuit court. And there are the judges who hear your facts. And trust me, if you are unrepresented, they will not care for your facts. They will look to you like numb, dumb, like stupid, arrogant. If you tell them the law, which is the authority that you base your claim upon, they'll tell you, don't tell me the law. Even if they don't say with words, they will say with their scorning you, with a demeanor. So if you tell them the law, they will tell you, who the fuck are you to tell me the law? If you don't tell them the law, they'll say, why the fuck are you here? You don't know the law. So either way, you never win against this motherfucking incompetent judges mostly we have. Oh, trust me, there are some wonderful judges in all our courts. Perfect human being, but not all of them though. There are a lot of arrogant judges that you'll see, and they are criminals on the bench who use the law to inflict injustice on people they don't like. So be careful, don't go there. But anyhow, these are the people we need to replace as soon as possible. Only the justices of the Supreme Court or Court of the Appeals should be humans, because they make law, they change law, and they can reverse decision or tell the robots down on the below how to rule on specific cases. So all trial court judges should be